sleepy warriors, welcome back to Native English Conversations, the podcast where we turn your English skills and tonight your zizzes into pure gold. I'm Alex, your captain of the snooze ship, and I've got my co-captain, the dream diving dynamo Mia, ready to roll. Mia, what's your sleep status tonight?
Hey, Alex. Hey, all you night owls and dream chasers out there. I'm buzzing, well, after a coffee reboot, 'cause last night I was a zombie. We're cracking the bedtime code today, so grab your pillows and let's dive in.
Real talk, Mia. Ever have a night where sleep just ghosts you? I was up till 3 a.m. scrolling X, then passed out mid-Zoom call today. Boss thought I was meditating with my eyes closed.
Oh, I've got you beat. 2 nights ago, I binge-watched a shark thriller. Guess who dreamed she was chum for Jaws? Spoiler, me. I woke up clutching my blanket like it was a life raft.
That's gold. Sleep's like that sneaky friend who bails last minute, leaves us tossing, turning, or fighting sea monsters in our heads. Tonight we're taking back the night. Mia, why's winning this bedtime battle such a big deal?
Here's the sleepy scoop, Alex. Good zizzes are your superpower. They zap stress, boost your brain, and keep you from snarling at your cat for breathing too loud. But when sleep's MIA, you're a grumpy goblin. And trust me, I've been there.
No cap, I was a walking yawn till I figured out some hacks. Now I'm snooze king most nights. Plus it's an English flex describing I'm wiped or dreaming wild in English. Total glow up.
Yas, I went from I can't sleep to I'm wrecked from a nightmare. Way juicier. Let's hit the pillow. Mia, what traps keep us wired instead of tired? Trap 1. Scroll sickness. You're glued to your phone. I doom scrolled X till 2 a.m., then wondered why my eyes were fried.
Trap 2, caffeine curse. You chug coffee late, I had a latte at 5 p.m., then counted ceiling cracks till dawn.
Trap 3. Brain buzz. Your mind won't shut up. I replayed a dumb work convo till my brain begged for mercy.
Trap 4, bedtime binge. You Netflix one more episode. I marathon Stranger Things, saw demo dogs in my sleep.
Trap 5. Pillow panic. You stress about not sleeping. I clock watched till 4 a.m. Total L.
Trap snagged. Mia, let's drop the snooze bombs. How do we win this bedtime war?
Step 1. Screen shut down. Ditch devices an hour before. I hid my phone in a drawer. No more X rabbit holes.
Step 2. Caffeine cutoff. No brew past 3 p.m. I switched to water, slept like a log instead of a jitterbug.
Step 3. Brain dump. Scribble your worries. I wrote, boss hates me, crumpled it, slept like a baby.
Step 4. Chill elixir. Sip something calm. I tried chamomile tea, felt like a cozy grandma by 10 p.m.
Step 5. Dream drift. 2-minute meditation. I breathed deep, pictured a beach, knocked out cold.
Step 6. Sleep scene. Set the mood. Dark room, cool sheets. I dimmed lights, felt like a hibernating bear.
Step 7. Nightmare nicks. Skip the horror. I swapped sharks for sitcoms, dreamed of laugh tracks instead.
7 sleep saviors. Let's test this live. Mia, hit me with your best relaxation trick. I'll try it now.
Okay, Alex. Close your eyes. Breathe in for 4, out for 6. Picture a hammock swaying by the sea. Go.
Breathes audibly in, out, hammock, waves. Dude, I'm already yawning. This is witchcraft.
Ha, told ya. Sleep sorcery works. Alex daily. Z moves to lock in the win.
Move 1, scroll stopper. Phone off by 9 p.m. I stashed mine in the kitchen, slept by 11.
Move 2. Tea time. Sip a chill brew. I had lavender tea, floated to dreamland.
Move 3. Worry wipe. Jot one stress. Missed a deadline, tossed it, snoozed hard.
Move 4. Bed bliss. Fluff your setup. I added a fan, cooled off, conked out.
Move 5. Dream diary. Write your wildest dream. I logged flying pizza. Woke up laughing.
Move 6. Night narration. Tell yourself sleep's coming. I whispered it. Passed out in 10.
Move 7. Sound soother. Play white noise. I tried rain sounds, drowned out my brain chatter.
Sleep squad assembled. Alex, what nightmares or flops do we dodge?
Flop 1. Scroll slip. You peek at X. I just checked. Stayed up till 3.
Flop 2. Caffeine creep. You sip late. I had cola at 6 p.m. Bounced off walls till midnight.
Flop 3. Overthink overload. You stew. I rehashed a fight, saw it in my dreams.
Flop 4. Binge backfire. You overwatch. I binged zombies. Dreamed I was lunch.
Flop 5. Clock curse. You stare at time. I watch 2 a.m. turn to 4. Total panic.
Sleep secured. Alex, we've armed our native English conversations crew with bedtime ammo.
Dreamland awaits. Let's vibe. Mia, what's your wildest sleep, win, or fail lately?
Win. I meditated, slept 8 hours straight. Fail. Dreamed my cat grew wings and stole my keys. Still shook.
Epic. Mine's a fail. Napped in the tub after a late night. Woke up pruny but refreshed. Squad, what's your sleep saga? Wild dream? Hack that worked? Hit us up.
Big snooze W. We're dying to hear. Drop your craziest nightmare or coziest hack in the comments. Best one gets a shout out next time.
Smash that like. Yeet this to your sleepy crew and subscribe to Native English Conversations. Keep winning the bedtime battle. You're unstoppable.
Sweet dreams, fam. Catch you next time. Stay cozy and crash like champs.